What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing out there? I hope everybody is doing well. Those that were down in the path of hurricane in Florida, I heard from some of you guys, and I'm happy to see you guys made it. But yeah, terrible thing that happened. Anyways, guys, if you do not follow me on my Facebook page, Philly in the Philippines. Guys, who doesn't have Facebook nowadays? If you don't have Facebook, you're probably not watching YouTube, right? Follow me on Philly in the Philippines. Let me explain why. Because I'm putting updates on there that I'm not sharing with you guys until I make like a video. And this is a video where I'm sharing an update with you guys. So if you haven't, guys, please go over and subscribe, all right? And follow me. I don't think you could subscribe, but I think you can follow me, all right? Follow me. Those that are following me know that my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone has arrived, all right? Guys, it has been a roller coaster ride for the past day, yesterday. I went from having excitement and being thrilled to being disappointed, to being sad, to being frustrated, to being angry, to being problem solving, to being taking a voodoo curse someone put on me here in the Philippines, all right, to excitement and joy again. I'll explain all this. So I got a call from LBC. LBC is a carrier here in the Philippines. They had my drone down there in their delivery service. They said, "Sir, would you like for us to deliver it, or would you like to come get it? What would you like to do?" I said, "No way, I will be right down. I'll be right down." Hopped on my bike, rode down there, picked it up. It was there. I signed for it. They didn't even ask me for ID. I guess they figured, well, I'm a foreigner. Who knows? Either way. Signed for it. Checked the box, make sure there was no damage on it, no bangs, no scratches. The tape wasn't tore off, the seal wasn't broke. Remember, always check those things. Came home, opened it up, video recorded the whole thing, like I advised people to do. Everything was in there. The drone was in there, the remote was in there, 3 batteries, a charger, replacement propellers, a little screwdriver to replace the propellers. Everything was in there. That was good. Went upstairs, and when you get a new, say, DJI action camera, a GoPro camera, drones, the software is not in it. You have to download the software, all right, and charge the batteries and charge the remote. Took about 45 minutes to charge all the batteries to an hour. Remote, half hour. So anyways, I downloaded it via Wi-Fi. All right, and it took maybe 45 minutes for this thing to download, right? So the download was completed, right? Powered everything on. I got my remote working. I got the drone working. I can see everything. Then it told me another download. Like, all right, hit the download. Update the firmware. Nothing. My remote controller, all right, the RC2, the screen, it just turned white with this little circle spinning. Starting up, starting up, starting up, starting up. What the heck? Wait it. Nothing. Same thing. Drone was still on. I was fine. Turned it off, powered it off. Turned it back on. Same thing. Powered it off. Powered it off, waited 15, 20 minutes. Powered on. Same thing. I'm like, you got to be kidding me. What the heck is going on here? Did I get a factory reject? So now I'm like, oh, there's got to be something online to let you know, like problems like this. I'm not the only guy with a problem like this. Then again, I probably am the only guy with a problem list like this, right? So I'm searching. Nothing's really popping up. Just basically doing what I did. So I contacted DJI. Spoke to the woman. I didn't speak to her. It was via text. Explained to her what was going on. She's like, okay. Can you take a picture of it, a video of it? I'm like, yeah. Send it to her. We're going back and forth. She's trying to problem solve for me. And she comes back. She's like, sir, it sounds like a boot up issue. You're going to have to send it back to where you got it. I'm like, well, who pays for that? It ain't cheap to send it back to the United States. She said, whoever you got it from. I said, well, I got it from Amazon. She says, well, you can return to Amazon. I think I have till October 9th to return for any damaged products, anything that's not working. You know what I'm saying. Got on Amazon and I checked, and yes, you can. I'm like, okay. So I'm like, I'm not giving up on this thing, right? Not giving up. Now, guys, I am 5-6 hours into this, all right? So I found this program, DJI. It was on DJI, something about Fly 2 Mini 4 Pro firmware. All right. And I seen a tiny little clip video about somebody that did it. So I downloaded this thing, right? Got it all on my computer. Hooked my controller up to it. Found what I was looking for. And there were 2 downloads. I hit the one download, right? Waiting. And you waited a good 50 minutes for this thing, right? Nothing happened. I'm like, oh, man. I'm ready to cry, ready to pull my hair out, right? I mean, guys, I was like this. Right? I was like, I mean, I'm telling you, I don't have much hair up top, but I'm telling you right now, I probably pulled 3/4 of what was left out of my head, okay? That's how frustrated I was, all right? So I downloaded the second one, right? Put it in there. I'm like, all right. I'm looking. Oh, my God. The remote lights are blinking. It's making noise. The screen is flickering on and off and doing all kinds of things. I'm like, maybe I have this, right? Maybe I have this, all right? And like I said, it took a good 50 minutes to upload the first one. Same with the second one. So I'm like, oh, yeah, let's do its thing. All right? It's dark now outside. All of a sudden, brown out. I'm like, can it get any worse? Brown out. I have a backup power system to my Starlink. I have a backup power system to my computer. I don't have my battery in my computer because about a month ago it swelled, so I had to remove that. I need to get a battery for that, right? However, everything's still running, right? That backup power has a good 10 minutes, 15 on a good day of running time. So I'm against the clock now. I'm against brownout, right? All these things are going haywire for me. So it tells me 2 minutes till complete. I'm like, oh, come on. All of a sudden, brown out. And my computer and my power shuts off. You gotta be kidding me. At this point, half my hair is gone. What's left, all right? I go downstairs, all right? I looked at Lit. I said, Lit, did somebody put like a voodoo Philippine curse on me? He's like, what do you mean? I said, well, I know how Filipinos are, you know. You upset somebody or something, they'll put a voodoo curse on you. She's like, I don't know. You know what it did? I stood there, I put my hand up in the air, and I said, by the power of Christ who compels me, if you are cursing me, if you have a voodoo hex on me, if you're trying to make my life miserable, if you're trying to upset me, by the power of God in me, leave. You are hereby, I'm hereby demanding you to leave me and leave me alone and give me, and get the negative vibes. I want positive, happy vibes only. Then I raised my hand up in the air, drew like a little cross on it, right? 5 minutes has passed. I'm past that 2 minute, all right? I go upstairs and It's on. It's working. The power's on. Everything's working. The main screen is on. I turned on my drone. I could see power. I was so excited. I went downstairs, went outside under the porch where we have light. Now it's dark now. Fired everything up, make sure it was up, make sure it was running. Couldn't do no big major drone shots or anything like that. I went through all my settings. I set all the settings how I wanted. Set my camera up, 4K, 60 frames per second. Some of you know what I'm talking about. Others don't know what I'm talking about. Had everything good to go. Even went up in the air a little bit, down a little bit to make sure it was going to do all that on the remote. And it worked. Wow, was it a roller coaster ride, like I said. So now you're probably saying, well, where's footage? Give me some footage. I went out today, guys, and I got some beautiful, beautiful footage today down around the water, around where the boats are docked, around where you guys will see it. You guys will see it. I do still have to do some tweaking. I bought filters for the drone because when it's bright out, you need a filter so you don't get the reflection. Now I'm just rambling about tech stuff. But yeah, guys, I went out, and here's another one, all right? This was another one that scared me today. I tried to play back my videos on my controller, and it wasn't playing it back, all right? And I thought, oh boy. Anyways, it did work. I did download them onto my computer. And you guys, check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave the comments below. Follow me on my Facebook page, Philly in the Philippines. I'm going to start doing updates on there and give you guys some other things that are going on daily and regularly and hourly and everything like that. So enjoy the video.
Liftoff. We have liftoff. The tower is clear.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.